High Flex 321E and 321E HP maintenance. The sight glass on the hydraulic tank needs to be checked daily. The air compressor also has a sight glass that needs to be checked daily, and the oil level should be halfway inside the sight glass. This is the oil fill for the compressor. Air filter needs to be checked on a weekly basis. The transfer box hydraulic oil will need to be checked daily by removing this cover. The frame on the 321E and 321E HP consists of an air tank. This air tank will have to be drained daily to remove the moisture from the tank. The 321E and 321E HP, the manifold pressure gauge will have to be greased daily. The pressure relief valve will need to be checked periodically throughout the day to ensure operation. If this is not operating properly, the line pressure cannot be relieved to break down the hoses. The 321E casters will have to be greased monthly to ensure that the pump can roll easily. This has been the maintenance for the 321E and 321E HP model of pumps.